You know how to fly one of these things?
We're about to find out.
Fuel gauge lights on.
Oh, man. Fuel's low.
How low?
Low. See if you can spot a patch of open space.
It's all mountains out there.
Better hope not, because if it is, we're dead. No. No.
What?
Engines are out.
There.
Flaps! Gonna have to glide her in. Baby, come on! Come on! Grab onto something! Hang on, this is gonna be rough!
Come on, let's go.